Oh. Mmm. Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. Today I want to show you how to make Poterico. Some of you might remember, but Poterico is the Japanese snack. The other day I did a live streaming and I visited Harajuku. During the live streaming, I went to the Calbee Plus and had a Poterico. Calbee is a Japanese snack company and they produce mainly potato chips. This is one of their favorite products. It is called Jagarico. It sounds similar to Poterico, and you can only have the Poterico at the Calbee Plus shop. Let's create Poterico at your kitchen. And during the video, I'll show you the tips and techniques that makes the Poterico more delicious. So please watch until the end. Okay, are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. At first, we peel the potato. And to peel the potato, you can do like I did. And also, I'll show you the technique. Okay, let's do it. In the meantime, let's prepare the ingredients. So as for the ingredient, we use cheese. And I cut the cheese into small pieces. And I use processed cheese today. But if you have a block type cheese, please grate with using grinder. Okay, the microwave is done. Okay, so potato is done. I peeled the potato that I microwave with skin on. So it was easy to peel. Okay, now we mash potato. So we add salt and pepper. Then potato starch. I add 1 tablespoon. Oil. And milk. If you prefer plant-based ingredients, please use soy milk. Then cheese. It's getting like Poterico. And to add a little bit twist, I will also add mayonnaise. If you want to use more authentic mayonnaise, I put my recipe the other day, so please check my Japanese mayonnaise recipe. Okay, now let's prepare oven tray. Let's put the potato here. Now flatten the potato. It's better to take out and roll. So let's flatten the potato paste. Now we put this in the fridge for 20 minutes. Okay, now in the meantime, let's preheat the oven. Okay, now 20 minutes passed. Now we cut this potato paste like a Poterico size. I want to use this one. Of course, you can use cutting knife. So I cut into 1/3. Like that. Okay. I move the paste aside. Then cut into stick size. I'll prepare one more tray. Now I move the first lane to the other tray. Okay. Wow. The potatoes are ready. Okay, let's put in the oven. Okay, now the preparation is done. So all I can do is just wait with them. Okay, in the meantime, I want to taste normal product. Let's open it. And once you eat, it has a potato flavor a lot. Potato and cheesy flavor. So when you travel in Japan, please take a look. Okay, Poterico is done. It took about 20 to 25 minutes. So let's try tasting. This area is very crispy. Okay, let's try. Itadakimasu. Oh. I can taste the natural flavor from potato and cheese. So it's a little bit soft compared to this product. But the flavor is so close. Do you remember? In my live streaming in Harajuku, I got this special Jagarico cup. So my homemade Poterico is done. Yes, my dream has come true. So how was the recipe today? I hope you enjoy my recreation of Poterico. Do you remember the tip? If you're in a hurry, please wrap the potato with using cellophane and microwave until the potato gets soft. Tip: please use square-shaped oven tray and also use parchment paper and fold and flatten the potato paste. It's also good to use rolling pin. And a tip: please combine 2 or 3 kinds of cheese. It adds different flavor. Ta-da! Sui-chan has come as usual. Hi Sui-chan, how are you? And thank you for always watching and sending us comments and like this video. It's always nice to have a message or comments from you all over the world. If you have a question, and please always ask me, and please write the comments in a box down below. Okay, so thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye.